Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer files between Windows PCs in seconds. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar on the taskbar and type Nearby Sharing. From the search results, click on Nearby Sharing Settings to open it. In the Nearby Sharing settings, turn Nearby Sharing on. Next, choose who can share files with you. You can select My Devices Only if you want to share files between your own devices, or Everyone Nearby if you want to share files with any nearby Windows PC. Below that, click the Change button if you want to choose a different folder where received files will be saved. You can also enable Share Across Devices if you want to share files between your devices even when they're in different locations. After selecting the options you want, make sure both Windows PCs have Nearby Sharing enabled. Now, to send a file, right-click on the file you want to share. Click Share and select the nearby Windows PC from the list. Accept the file transfer request on the receiving PC, and the file will be transferred in just a few seconds. After you finish transferring your files, you can turn off Nearby Sharing if you don't need to use it anymore. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.